Hello guys, hopefully all of you are doing good. So today in this video I have an interesting topic for you guys, okay, which social media platform you should use for your business. So there are a lot of social media platforms today. So there's Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, podcast, and so on. You can use all of those platforms to promote your business, to reach out to more people, to create brand awareness. So I will tell you about 5 social media platforms which is necessary, and that doesn't mean you need to be on each one of them. Okay, you can be on any 2 or 3, that is enough. But creating an impact in those 3 platforms, or 4 or 2 or 3 platforms you are in, is very important. So in today's video I will discuss all of this. So before I get started with that, I have an amazing offer for you guys. So this offer is completely free. Okay, so right now I'll give you 3 seconds. Go down below and subscribe my channel. It's totally free, I can assure you that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Is it done? Okay, now great. The first social media. So whenever I think about social media, the first platform which comes into my mind is Instagram. Okay, so according to me, every business or every content creator should be there on Instagram. Okay, because not only it has a huge amount of traffic, huge amount of people over there, but that is the best place to create relation, to create it helps you to create a strong bond with your customers, with your clients. Okay, so you need to be on Instagram. Instagram provides you very good features like Instagram stories, Instagram DMs. Okay, it allows you to talk to your audience, talk to your customers. It has even features of video calling and all of those things. Okay, and Instagram live, okay, where you can interact with many people at once. So all these features, or due to all these features in Instagram, it makes the best place to create trust. Okay, not exactly trust, okay, but create a bond with your customers. Okay, creating a good relationship with your customers. So that is one point I would say. Then but on Instagram you need to take care of your audience. Okay, like if you are selling something which is like a camera. Okay, now if you're showing if you're selling something like a camera and your audiences are people are children, okay, which are under 15 years. Okay, like Instagram is a huge is a huge platform. There are people from all ages present over there. So if your audiences are people who are children who are under 15 years or even under 18 years old, okay, who cannot afford it, they have to go to their mom to ask them, then that is not useful for you. So you need to have that thing about you need to know your audience and target audiences accordingly. Okay, so that is one thing which is very important. And another thing is creating trust is a bit difficult over here. Like when you talk about like, okay, you are selling some products. Okay, so people won't easily buy it. Okay, so you have to create a trust among your audiences. You need to make them believe that you are real and not fake. Okay, because there are trusted websites like Amazon, Flipkart and all of those, so you can get those products. People trust them and can get better products from them, so they would usually do that. So creating a trust becomes a little bit difficult over there. But Instagram is good for brand awareness. You can make people aware of your brand in a huge amount, or you can create impact on the people with a huge amount of people. Okay, so that is about Instagram. Okay, so next I would go with after Instagram, the next thing which is coming to mind is like YouTube. Okay, so let's talk about YouTube. YouTube is a very good platform to interact with people, okay, because that is somewhere you can gain trust with people, okay, because you not only you have your audio as well as a visual appearance to your audience, okay. So that visual appearance helps people to see your mannerism, the way you talk, and the way you act, and they can see your face and everything. So that is the best place you can actually make contact with to gain trust with your audience, okay. So this is the best place to convert your cold leads into warm leads, okay. So now it's YouTube also provides SEO is search engine optimization. So when you compare it with Instagram, on Instagram, if you go there, you will search if you cannot search the solution for your problem, okay, all you can search is the hashtags, okay. You can search for people, but you cannot search the answer to your problems. Like on YouTube you have that option, like if you search about which social media platform is good for you, that is your problem, you want to know for which business, for my business, which platform you need, so somehow you can end up to my video, right? So similarly that is called search engine optimization. So YouTube provides you the best, YouTube gives you that platform, okay, which is not present in Instagram. So here you can reach to a large amount of people, and that large amount of traffic, and those traffic is all targeted audience, okay, because people who want to watch your video will only watch your video because there's a thumbnail, there's a title which tells about the video. So if people are interested, then only they're gonna watch that video. So then the analytics in YouTube is amazing, okay. You know which people are watching your video. It's even better than Instagram, okay. You need like suppose I know like this one person has watched my video for like 1 minute and then left my video, so I can know that what was the problem in my video. I figure that out because I know that person left after 1 minute. I know the watch time, so that I can understand why. Then you can even know from where did they end up watching your video, whether they came from your Instagram or from your Facebook page, or they directly found you on YouTube, okay. So you can know from where you are getting your audience. So the analytics in YouTube is amazing, okay. So that is a very big plus point on YouTube. But of course, if there are pros, then there will be cons, okay. So a negative point about YouTube is that it's time consuming. You know, you need to film, and then you need to edit it, and you need to engage people to see your content. All of these makes it a little bit time consuming, okay. And then another thing is like people are not loyal, okay. As in like, okay, suppose someone is you were interested in knowing about which social media you want to use, you searched it on YouTube, you saw my video, and that's it, you will exit, okay. You might not subscribe me or not go and follow me on my Instagram, okay. Those things won't be happen. So that is why you need to have that, so that it's not loyal, okay. Your audience won't always be loyal, okay. So that is a kind of a negative point on YouTube. So that is all I wanted to talk about YouTube. Sound. Next thing which is in the talk these days is podcast, okay. Podcast is another great way to create trust in people, to create good close contact with people, okay. Actually, you know, the audiences there are loyal because of course if they are listening to you for half an hour, you can create an impression on the people, you can create an impact on the people, so that they, of course, if they are hearing you for half an hour, there's something they want to know about you, they want to know you personally, that's why they might be listening, okay. You can create a good close contact with those audience. So that is a very big plus point about podcasts. But you know, like like YouTube, where you can search your problems, that is not possible in podcast. Okay, only thing you can search for is the subject, like what are you interested in hearing, whether it be motivation, whether it be any story or any song, okay, like something like that. So you need to know, and you cannot it's not like YouTube where you can search your problems. So that is one bad thing about podcast. And even another thing about it, its analytics is not that good as of YouTube, okay. So that is a negative point of it, but it is a very good platform to create contact with people, to create close bonds with people, because if after hearing you for half an hour, that people will be more likely to go and check you out, to know more about you, more likely to go check your YouTube channel or go check your Instagram, okay. So that is a great platform to create contact with people. Okay, so the next thing next social media will be Facebook. So Facebook, okay, so at a point in my life, I thought Facebook is dead. Now nobody is on Facebook. Everybody has shifted to Instagram, okay, and people are more interactive on Instagram than on Facebook, okay. But as a content creator or as a business owner, Facebook groups provides you the best thing possible, okay. It creates, because that's the best way you can interact with a large amount of people. And Facebook, it's not dead, Facebook groups are active. People will interact with you, people will like your post, people will know more about you, okay. That's the best way to know more people and let people know about you. So trust me, Facebook is not dead, especially if you are a content creator, business owner. Facebook groups are the best thing you can do, okay. So you can best thing you can do to create a contact with your customers, with your audiences. So the next social media, which is not talked about much but is very useful, is LinkedIn, okay. So these days LinkedIn is somewhat gaining popularity, okay, I would say, because of all the opportunities you get through LinkedIn. LinkedIn opens a gate for huge opportunities, especially for college students. Especially if you're a business owner, okay. It will, because the audience present over there are all authentic, okay. All the audiences are authentic and sophisticated, okay. You will usually find college students, university students, and business owners or business people into business with good positions over there, okay. You won't find any teenager or any random person over there who has nothing to do with business or anything like that, okay. You can find very sophisticated and proper audiences over there. So that is a good point, okay. Especially if you're a business owner, you want to sell your products, that's the best thing, like, okay. So see, like, even on Instagram, when we talk about selling a product, so the maximum people who are purchasing the products are between the age of 18 to 35, okay. The reason behind that will be because people less than 18 age, of course, they cannot afford anything, okay. They'll go to their parents to ask them money, or even if they ask them money, they'll either go to Amazon or Flipkart or anywhere else, or go to a shop and buy that thing, instead of coming on Instagram and buying products from any page, okay. They would do that. And when we talk about people more than 35 years of age, okay, so those people are little, like, I would say, little old minded, okay. They cannot trust things so easily, right? So they would trust things easily, they won't trust things, okay, because they are of that mindset, like, नहीं यहाँ पे बेचेंगे तो हमारा लॉस हो जाएगा, ये चोर है, and all that thing, okay. So they have that thing in their mind, so you need to keep that in that thing on your that point over there, okay. So mostly all the proper LinkedIn does not contain people like that, okay. They might be people which are more of the age more than 35, but all those people are into digital into the digital era. Okay, so they know what is right, what is wrong, whom to trust, whom not to trust on digital platform. So that's why that LinkedIn is a very good place for every business owners. Okay, but like I said before in the starting of the video, like if you are a person selling beauty products, it's not gonna work over there, because you won't find fashion bloggers or any beauty bloggers over there. So that is one thing. Okay, you need like I said, you need to know your audience, you need to know where they would be, what do they like. So yeah, so that was it. Okay, that was the 5 social medias I wanted to talk about, and why you should use them, and how what are the pros, cons, and everything. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and you guys learned something out of this video. Okay, something you would have learned, I hope so. So if you guys so don't forget to like the video, and I said go and subscribe the video. It's free, it's totally free. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe the video, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification also, so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and yeah, don't forget to comment down below, did you like the video or not, and what I can do to improve my videos. Okay, give me suggestion, give me topics you want me to talk about, and all of those things. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.